Intensive practice 4.4, question 3. The mass J of bacteria after time in hours is this many grams. Show that the time taken for bacterial mass to reach 50 grams is this one, right? So the mass is 50. 25 times e power 0.1 t, right? So we need to show that the t has to be this. Okay, so to make t the subject, first we bring the 25 over here, it becomes divide. So 50 divided by 25 is just 2. Then we move the e over this side. When we move e over here, it becomes ln 2 equals to 0.1 t. Okay, so 0.1 t, we have to divide it here. Basically 0.1 is 1 over 10. And if we bring 10 over here, it becomes times. So 10 ln 2 equals to t. So you can say t is 10 ln 2, shown. Done. Let's look at B. Determine the time taken in 2 decimal places. Okay, so the time taken to reach 50 grams is this many hours. So we just have to find this in 2 decimal places. So 10 ln 2. We get 6.93 hours. Okay, remember t is in hours, so it's just hours lah. Sometimes t is given in days, so the unit will be days. That's it. Done.